After mean, next concept is mod of the data. Now, in previous classes, we learned what is mod for group data, for ungrouped data. Okay. So, in previous classes, we learned for ungrouped data. Ungrouped data means list of the numbers. Isn't it? Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 and then 3, then 2. Okay. So, what will be mod for this data? 2. Because mod is defined as most occurring number in the data. So 2 is coming 3 times, so 2 will be the mod of this ungrouped data. Now in this year we'll learn mod for the group data. So that is given by one formula, which is mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divide by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is the lower limit of model class. Then what will be model class then? See, in every question to find mod of the data, they will give classes because it is for group data. So suppose 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Okay, then 2, 5, 7. This is Fi and this is classes. Suppose for this question, what will be the model class? The class which has maximum frequency, which is 7. See, 2, 5 and 7. 7 is bigger number than 2 and 5. So that is frequency is large. So corresponding class will be model class. And corresponding lower limit will be, we can take as L. Understood? So what is L? Lower limit of the model class. And model class we can take the corresponding class of highest frequency. Now F1 is frequency of model class. Okay, just now we saw one example. I will write that example here, that will be better. 2, 5 and 7, suppose 30 to 43. Okay, so in this model class is what? 20 to 30, because highest frequency is 7, isn't it? So L will be 20. Now F1 is what? Frequency of model class, that is this 7 is F1. Okay, so after getting F1, previous value you can take as F0 and next value you can take as F2. So what we can write? F0 is frequency or preceding frequency of model class. We can write preceding frequency of model class. Okay, and F2 will be succeeding frequency of model class, isn't it? For this particular example, we can consider 5 as F0, 3 as F2. Now one more variable is left here in this formula, that is H. So H is nothing but class size. Okay. This is question 1 from exercise 14.2. Question is, following table shows the ages of the patient admitted in a hospital during a year. So in class form, age is given in years, and here this is number of patients. So this we can treat as Fi. Now we know what is the mod formula. Mod. Question is, find the mod and mean also. Then compare mod and mean and interpret the two measure of central tendency. Okay, so mod we know L plus F1 minus F0 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, isn't it? So before that we'll find each of the variable values here. Now to find L, we should know what is model class. How we can find model class? We will check in frequency column. See, 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. Which is highest frequency? 23. So this we will write as F1, and corresponding class is model class. So we can write, since model class is 35 to 45. Okay, so L will be lower limit of the model class, that is 35, and F1 we got, and we know preceding frequency is F0, so this will be F0, and succeeding frequency is F2, so this is F2. Okay, and H is 15 minus 5, that is 10. So all the variables will write here, value of all the variables. F0 we got as 21, F1 we got as 23, F2 we got as 14, H is 10. After getting values for all variables, we'll substitute in this formula. L is 35 plus F1, that is 23, F0 is 21, 2 F1 means 2 into 23, minus F0 means 21, and F2 means 14, into H is 10. So 35 plus this will give 2, 46, this you can add, so it will give 35 into 10. So that means 35 plus 2 by, this will be 11 into 10. Okay, so we can simplify it further. 35 plus 20 by 11, you can cancel this from 11, so 11 ones are, so 9 will remain here, isn't it? So 9 will put 0 and decimal, so it will become 90. So 11 8s are 88 we can take. Now if we will take 88, 2 will remain, again 1, it will go with 1. So 35 plus 1.81 will come. That will give 36.81. So this is your mod of the given data. Okay. Now for the same function, it is given that find mean also, then compare. So this mod value will write somewhere that we got mod as 36.81. Okay. Now to find mean, again we have to prepare a table. With xi column, isn't it? Fi column. Fi column is given in the question. We'll find xi first. So xi will be 15 minus 5 is 10. 10 by 15 minus 5 is 10. 10 by 2 is 5. So 5 you should add in each of the lower class to get xi. So 10, 20. So ultimately 10 difference is there. So remaining class mark you can find by adding just 10 in previous class. So 30, 40, 50 and 60. Now here values are larger. So go with step deviation method. Xi minus a by h. Isn't it? So now since how many observations are there? 6 observations are there. So you can assume 30 as A or 40 as A, no problem. Okay. So suppose 40 will assume as A because this 23 is large. So 23 into 0 will be 0 only, because in front of this UI, this A, UI will be 0. Okay. Then above 0 start writing with minus value, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and here it will come 1 and 2. Now FIUI is 6 into minus 3 minus 18 minus 22 minus 21. This will become 0, 14 and 10. So this will be 24 and this will give 61. So minus 61 and plus 24. Okay, minus 61 and plus 24. So it will be 7 and 3, minus 37. Now since this total is also not given, Fi, sigma Fi is not given, so we should add to find sigma Fi. So it will be C17 plus 5, 22. So 22, 21, 23 and 14 we should add. So it will give 80. So 80 is sigma Fi. Now we'll apply a formula here. Okay. So we got sigma Fi as 80, sigma Fi Ui as minus 37, A we assumed as 40, H is 10. So now we'll apply formula here. So mean equals to x bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi Ui divided by Fi into H. So A is 40 plus sigma Fi Ui is minus 37 divided by sigma Fi is 80 into 10. Isn't it? So this 0 will go. So we are left with 40 minus 37 by 8. So this 37 you can divide from 8. So it will be 4 8 4 32, isn't it? So 5 will remain here. Then 8 6 48. Then 2 will remain. So 4.62. So 40 minus 4.62. So you can find 4.62. So this will be 10, 9, 9, 3. So 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 4 is 5 and 3. So answer is 35.38. And we got mod as 36.81. So we can compare, the mod is greater than mean in this question. Okay, and what we can interpret, what mean value represent? Mean value represent average, isn't it? So this mean is average age of the patient, and mod means maximum patients of this age are admitted. So what we can write interpretation? Interpretation we can write maximum patient of age 36.81 are admitted okay, and average of the age of patient, mean is average age of patient admitted is patient admitted is 35.38. Okay, so this is the solution for question 1.